NSAV, currently traded at 0008. Shout out to all you people that got out there and shared this video. We appreciate it. And remember to do the same, because you guys got out there and shared this video with so many other investors. Kept getting requested today, so we're covering it again. So as always, make sure at the end of this video, you get out there and share this video with all other investors on different social networks and stock message boards. So right now, currently traded at 0008. We looked at this one on the 5th. It was just myself at that time, but Joe's here now, hopefully to fill us in a little bit more about the company. But right here is going to be the last time that we covered this one. It was at 0006 right there, riding that 10-day simple moving average. And for all you people that follow these videos, you know that we looked at it over here as well. And I said, watch for a bounce. Watch for a few days of sideways. Okay, right here, watch for a few days of sideways, and we got that. And then it followed up on the 5th. The 3rd. It said, watch for it to go sideways. And then on the 5th, rather, I said, watch for a bounce off the 10-day simple moving average 0006, support at 0006 and 0004, resistance at 0006 and 0008. Could be setting up again, in my opinion. So look at that. I mean, you can't put a perfect picture on this thing being called perfectly. At least the last 2 weeks that we've been following this on a more regular basis here. But right here off of that 5th, boom, you guys get it. Nothing huge, but exactly what I said to watch for. Watch for that bounce off the 10-day simple moving average. It's still tapping it like it's not too sure. We can see that right here with that red line and this light blue line right there, which is going to be the 10-day simple moving average. Right now, you guys are currently at that resistance level that we spoke about, 0008. What you're going to need now, in my opinion, is going to need enough of that volume to come in here. All right, if I can move everything around a little bit, there we go. Make it a little bit easier here. Now what you're going to need is going to be just enough of that volume to come in here and put you past the 0008. Otherwise, you're going to be pinned between and get that eagle nose that I talk about, the 10-day simple moving average, and now that resistance level at 0008. So now stuck between the 0006 and 0007, or I'm sorry, 0006 and 0008. Watch for that volume to start picking up, which is obviously starting to happen right now. Yesterday, you guys had 33 million shares traded, and today already at 30 million shares. It's 10:45 Eastern in the morning. Got plenty of room to go, so that's what we're going to be watching for. So watch for a break of that 0008. If you guys hit that break, that 0008, it's going to go much higher, in my opinion, especially looking at the way that this thing's setting up. After 0008, your next stop will be 001. If you guys break that, it's going to be going up much higher. We're looking at 002, probably the next stop. But let's focus on what's going on right now. Watch for that volume start picking up and break you guys through that 0008. If it doesn't, you guys could rest on that 0006 for a few days here. And if the volume drops off, we'll bring you back down to the 20-day at the 0005. Either way, though, I think it's still setting up, and it looks beautiful moving forward. I'll hand it off to Joe.
All right, so these guys have a press release today. It's NSAV announces additional 1.5 billion share reduction. So Net Savings Link Incorporated announced today that the company has approved an additional 1.5 billion reduction of its authorized shares. This reduction follows a previously announced company approval of 2.5 billion authorized share reduction. This brings the total number of authorized shares that the company has stated it will reduce to 4 billion, or 40% of the company's authorized shares. The management of NSAV took this action as it believed the company's previous board had authorized an unnecessarily large amount of shares. The current NSAV management is fully committed to a policy of anti-dilution whenever feasible. The company is presently preparing a comprehensive 8K with regards to this and other material corporate matters. Further, NSAV wishes to reassure all of its shareholders that no substantial dilution of its shares has taken place. The company's transfer agent has confirmed this on numerous occasions. All NSAV shareholders are encouraged to contact the transfer agent to confirm the amount of issued and outstanding shares. Further, although the company's business model is growth by acquisition, the desire of NSAV is not to dilute its shareholders when making acquisitions. The company's vision is to pay for its acquisitions out of the earnings of the companies it acquires. NSAV has also announced a reiteration of its share statement that it is not planning or even considering a reverse split of its shares. The company's president continues to stand by his belief that in his 22 years in the public markets, he has never seen a reverse split benefit shareholders. The company also announced that its brand new corporate website is near completion and will be unveiled next week. The management of NSAV is certain that all of its shareholders will be extremely pleased when the website is launched. So James Tilton, president of NSAV, stated, "I am truly pleased that I can finally confirm the long-awaited 40% reduction of NSAV authorized shares. Once again, I can assure all of our shareholders that this action will benefit them. Protecting shareholder rights is the bedrock of the new NSAV." Mr. Tilton went on to state, "As I tweeted last night, I am personally extremely excited about the progress of the new NSAV corporate website. I'm also honored to be involved with such a great team of developers. When the website is launched, I am certain that all NSAV shareholders will share in my excitement. In my opinion, that will finally be the day that the new era of NSAV has begun." All right, so it says NSAV's vision is the establishment of a fully integrated technology company that provides turnkey technological solutions to the medical cannabis industry, as well as other areas of the medical industry. Over time, the company plans to provide a wide range of services such as software solutions, e-commerce, advisory services, financial services, patent and trademarks, and information technology. All right, so that's I just read the entire press release from today. So that's that. All right, so I looked over here. Right now there's a stop sign with pink no information. And what I'm seeing for the authorized over on OTC markets, it's got, as of March 20th, 2017, it's showing 10 billion with the float currently at 3,149,504,075 shares. And that's all as of March 20th. So obviously with this, I mean, with that press release, it said that there, a total of 4 billion being removed from that authorized. So I don't know if the other, that other announcement has already taken place or not. I don't know. Because I'd have to look back on it, like on more of these press releases and everything else. And at the same time, they're just pretty much just going to get up to date on their filings. All right, so if you have an opinion on a company, just go over to that NSAV board and share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily. If you're looking to do more due diligence, you got it all right there at your fingertips with the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And that is pretty much that.
All right, and remember that stuff that Joe just talked about here, completely free on Investors Hangout. Time and sales, recent news, filings and financials, all completely free over here on Investors Hangout. So over on the chart, 0008 watch chart is setting up here nicely, in my opinion, right now, currently at 0007. I put it at 0008, resistance at 0008 and 001, support at 0006 and 0005. If you guys do break 0006, you will go down to 0005, obviously, right? You're going to go down there real quick, but that is okay because that is going to be your next line of support. They're fairly close right under there. But either way, like I said, a break of 0008 will be a very good sign for a breakout, in my opinion. NSAV, make sure you continue to watch this one. And like I said earlier, get out there and share this video. We would appreciate it. And hit that like and subscribe button. If you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us as well, let us know at investorshangout.com/live.